Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please leave a like. In this tutorial, we will teach you on how to get follow button on your Facebook profile. Step 1. Open the Facebook app. Tap on the Facebook app to launch it. Step 2. Access your profile. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Facebook news feed. Tap on the profile icon located at the top left or bottom navigation bar. It is usually represented by a silhouette or your profile picture to access your Facebook profile. Step 3. Adjust your privacy settings. We need to go to the privacy settings. So in order to do that, tap the gear icon located at the top right of your screen beside the search button. Now, we are on the settings and privacy section. Scroll down and find how people find and contact you. Go into it. At the very top, you can see who can send you friend requests. Tap it. Make sure that Friends of Friends is checked. Now we need to go back in the settings and privacy section and find followers and public content. Tap it. Now you can see who can follow me, and as you can see in the screen, it is set in friends. Switch it into public, indicating that anyone can follow your profile and all of the content that you post, and you will post on your account. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled the follow button on your Facebook profile using a mobile device. Now other users can choose to follow your public updates. Thank you for watching.